Today I am unboxing a new earphone. It's Wiresto brand earphone. Earphone comes up with a beautiful box. See, that box is so beautiful, and earphone is nicely packaged with a nice bag, and that's the earphone. Earphone jack is covered with plastic. Nicely covered with a plastic. That 3.5mm jack, and there is the marking that left and right ear. It easily can use. There's no confusion when you use it. You can easily use it in your right ear or left ear because there is marking there, and it's not block your ear. That is the controller. With the help of it, we can control your volume, and you can mute or unmute any call with the help of this earphone controller. Now, see, listen, it's earphone music. It has nice clip with it. You can clip your earphone with your shirt collar and your shirt pocket.